Okay, so right now we're heading down to a shop, Terry's shop. Can't wait to go down there. We're gonna get the bikes all figured out, dialed in, and then we're heading to practice at Adelanto Grand Prix. Should be a good time. Just trying to get the bikes dialed in, and then on Sunday, we're gonna go race A2. It's gonna be a packed weekend. It's gonna be fun.
Hey, it's Luke.
Oh yeah. What up, T? We're at the shop. The 150 right there. Getting it all dialed. Dad's over there. Working on this one. We're gonna go practice for the Adelanto. The shop. What's the shop?
Rody's Motorsports in Asperia on C Street.
Yeah, come check them out. Let's go over here. Let's come in here. Shop's massive. And then you got, what's in here, T?
Leather jackets, boys side over here, stuff over here, girls side over here. There's me on the wall at Mammoth.
So yeah, this is
good there, and chains.
They got everything.
Glasses.
It's Harley's and what is it? A shop for dirt bikes?
Yeah, it's actually a motorcycle shop. We're gonna try to expand the parts department in here.
So
yeah,
it's gonna be sick. So come out here. Where is it at?
It's by the KFC down there on Asperia, and go down to the stop sign, turn left, and you'll see.
You'll see us.
Yeah, you'll see it. Oh, we're actually on B. I thought we were on C.
So
But we're Unit B.
come here. Come here, guys. There's Daisy Dukes. Huh. So yeah, come down here. Come check them out. Right, Daisy? Oh, we just found a Porsche on the way there.
Burn it.
What? I fell. I hole shotted in first, and then a couple kids got around me, and I was mad, so I was trying to catch up. And then a flagger put the slow sign in my face in the infield, and I tucked it, and I got back up and just rode my heart out and tried, and apparently I think I got second. So
Killed it, dude. I'm so proud of you.
I was from last.
I know. Dude, so proud of you. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Way to not give up. I didn't need that.
Yeah, and then I have my skateboard.
What's up, dude? You ready?
Yeah, dude.
Do it. What goggles?
Huh?
he goes so far.
All right, go here.
Fantastic. Him at number 2. All the way around. Make sure he keeps filming all the way till he jumps out here. Go, Emma!
That's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys liked it. We were at Adelanto Grand Prix for the Big 6 series, and decided we're gonna do that whole series and go for the amateur title. I got 2 first and a second this weekend. Super happy. On Saturday I was in first, and then I crashed in the infield, and then from like 7th or something all the way back up to second. I went in the back section in 4th, came out in 2nd on the leader, so really happy with this weekend. Had an awesome time, got a couple interviews, just an amazing time. I love that place and can't wait to go back. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.